Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have 540 for sale which has been completely modified, and this is available for sale in Bangalore, which has been modified couple of days before by the customer, and it's readily available for sale. Right now we are going to review on this vehicle. So basically this is a completely 540 vehicle which has been modified, and this vehicle is coming with DI engine, and you can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is with MT Maxis Tyres 764 has been installed. All set of 5 tires have been installed from Maxis, and off-roading rims are available in this. Lambda hub lock is installed. Shackles have been installed in this, and you can just have a look at the front. The bumper has been installed from Prad. So you can just have a look at the vehicle, and we also have 9 inches HID lights installed in this, and we have a power steering installed in this. So basically the vehicle is completely ready and it's available for sale in Bangalore. You can just have a look at the vehicle, very beautifully maintained. So, and also we also have a working snorkel. You can just check 9-inch LED bar is also available in this, and small lights are also being installed. And we also have limb raisers and farm jack which is available. And this is a soft top which is made with roll cage installed in this, and also rock sliders have been installed in this. You can just check out the rock sliders. And we have complete something called as free flow exhaust which has been installed in this just for off-roading purpose. And this is the traction board using for off-roading. And you can just check out the Maxis tires on the back also. And we also have a tire carrier installed in this. And you can just check out the parking lights, and very hard roll gauge is being made in this. Very higher gauge thickness of roll cage has been installed. So the tow hook is also been installed in this. So basically the vehicle is totally in a perfect condition, and the fitness is available till 2026. So you can just have a look at the vehicle, completely very well maintained soft top vehicle with a roll gauge. The body line is really beautiful with a good suspension travel in this, and few stickers have been installed in this. Right now I'll be showing you the interiors of the vehicle at the moment. So this is the Jeepers live stickers. So when coming to the interiors are with the basic interiors. We have 2 power windows in this, left and right, and the seats are really luxurious seats installed in this. And this is a 4-wheel gearbox. So this is a 4+1 gearbox KMT 90. So you can just have a look at it. And the soft top is also in very much mint condition. We also have a front facing lights, that's the seat installed in this. Both the sides we have power windows. This is the right hand side, the driver side power window, which can be operated from both the windows. And this is the 4-wheel gearbox lever, and the vehicle is very neat enough. So anybody who is really interested to buy this vehicle, please contact us on our below number, which is going to be displayed in our channel. So this vehicle is readily available for sale in Bangalore. Our WhatsApp number is 9886679617, and the FC is till 2026. The price which you are quoting is 4 lakhs, slightly negotiable Only serious buyers are requested to please contact us on this below number. Please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you and have a great day.